the topic of my lecture for the SSB is AFSPA, Armed Police Force Special Power Act, which was implemented by the Britishers in 1942 when there was a Quit India movement was started, because there is against the Britishers government. So telling about the difference in a AFSPA, moving forward, that Quit India movement is after implementation of AFSPA become leaderless, cause the Gandhi ji, B.P. Patel Sahab and Jawaharlal Nehru Sahab, all of them got arrested, and there is so many insurgencies in between them. Later, after independence, the implementation of AFSPA took place in Naga Hills, or we can say the first AFSPA after independence implement in a Naga Hills, because there is insurgencies and civil war between the seven sisters of India. Moving forward, it stretched from the Naga Hill to the Assam to Manipur and Tripura too. Later on in 1983, when we have seen there are so many conflicts between Chandigarh and Punjab, then the implementation of AFSPA also took place. But that not took place in firstly. Firstly, it would be DAA, that is District Areas Act, Disturbed Areas Act. That is a mini version of AFSPA. Later, when we have seen there insurgencies between borders of Jammu and Kashmir took place, and also there is conflict between the border in the Jammu and Kashmir. So in 1983, in 1990, the implementation of AFSPA took place in Jammu too. Talk about the area that is comes under the AFSPA, and that is going to become in the area that is first, that is Nagaland, Tripura, Assam, covering with Punjab, Chandigarh, going with Jammu and Kashmir, and in some Naxalite area like Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand too. If the thing is having pros and the thing having its cons too. Talking about the conflicts that is faced by AFSPA is the Human Right Council members are against this. They think that there is a misuse and overuse power of this AFSPA. So also they think that we are misusing the power of fundamental rights too. So after seeing, but they don't have any proof. Later we say about the power that is given in the AFSPA is they can arrest anyone if they are seeing or they are facing that this can cause the dispute in between. Jai Hind.